Hey folks, tonight I'm going to make chicken leg quarters. It's 103 according to the forecast. I used my temperature gauge out here. It's like 112. So we're going to cook this hopefully before the camera shuts off in the heat. But I got some quarter legs today, chicken quarter legs, and we're going to rub some Holy Gospel barbecue rub on it to get started. And we're going to put them on the Weber today, out over that way. The charcoal's getting hot. And we'll put them on there skin side up for about 10-15 minutes, and we'll flip it over 10 minutes and keep doing that until the meat is at the proper temperature. So I will begin now by putting the rub on. We're at Holy Gospel rub. Just cover it all over. Get inside the skin. After we applied all the seasoning, I'm going to let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll walk it over to the Weber. Alright, so we're going to put the chicken on indirect heat. Oh, no, I'm sorry, skin side down. I need tongs. That's hot. Damn it. Skin side down, I said. Skin side down, as much away from the heat of the coals as possible. And we're going to cover it up. Here. And for a Weber, to force the heat to come circle up and then out. So it's going to bring the heat over the meats, which is what we want. So that's the position that we're going to put it. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Now we're going to flip them over. Look at that juice. Make some adjustments here. Let them cook for maybe 15 minutes again. And I might flip it over. Still doing indirect heat. I'm going to check the internal temp here. We're at the, as long as you don't touch the bone. We're reading it about right. So I think our chicken is done. It only has to be at 170. Right now we're reading at 200, so I think our chicken is done. Hopefully not too dry. I'm gonna take it off. 45 minutes on the grill. We got barbecued chicken quarters.
Who does that? Hey.
That's good.